The A400M is the proven, certified, and in operations most advanced airlifter with 21st century state-of-the-art technologies. The A400M can airlift in its large cargo bay most of the critical armed forces equipment that no longer fits in previous generation tactical airlifters, such as a heavy helicopter, an infantry fighting vehicle, or a humanitarian excavator. Thanks to its combined strategic and tactical capabilities, the A400M has proven better range, speed, altitude, payload, and tactical performance than previous generation tactical airlifters, enabling the delivery of game-changing capabilities to the point of need, such as next to a natural disaster or a theater of operations where strategic airlifters cannot operate. Previous generation tactical airlifters have good tactical performance, but cannot carry the outsized military and humanitarian relief loads because their cargo holds are too small. Current strategic aircraft are good outsized load airlifters, but are costly and have limited tactical capability as they cannot operate from soft fields. The A400M is a larger, more modern, truly versatile aircraft specifically designed for today's requirements and those of the future. Thanks to its good tactical performance and the ability to carry overweight loads over long distances, the A400M fills the current logistic and tactical capability gap. With a cockpit flight deck located at the very front of the fuselage, much of the internal space is reserved for cargo. The aircraft's internal dimensions include a cargo hold usable width of 4 meters, height of up to 4 meters, and usable length of 17 meters. Strategic capabilities, high altitude. Thanks to its state-of-the-art technologies, including its 4 unique Europrop International PP400 turboprop engines, the A400M has the capability to fly distances up to 8,900 kilometers at a cruising altitude up to 15,000 meters and at a speed of up to Mach 1, very similar to that of a turbofan-powered airlifter. It can even fly up to 12,200 meters for special operations. This gives the potential for strategic logistic missions. Flying faster, the A400M can respond more rapidly to crisis because greater distances can be flown in one crew duty day. Also, as it can fly higher, the aircraft can cruise above poor weather and turbulence found at median altitudes, resulting in less fatigue for the crews, passengers, or troops alike. Air-to-air refueling. Designed from the outset to be a dual-role transport and tanker aircraft, the A400M provides air forces with a cost-effective way to acquire an air-to-air refueling capability in addition to a versatile logistic and tactical airlifter. The standard A400M aircraft has much of the equipment and software provisions for two-point air-to-air refueling operations already installed as standard. Any A400M can be rapidly reconfigured to become a tactical two-point tanker able to refuel probe-equipped receivers at their preferred speeds and altitudes. With a basic fuel capacity of 63,500 liters, which can be even further increased with additional cargo hold tanks, the A400M is the most capable tactical tanker on the market. The 2 hose and drobe under wing refueling pods can each provide a fuel flow of up to 1,200 kilograms per minute to receiver aircraft. Refueling any probe-equipped aircraft. The A400M is the only tanker that can refuel the entire range of probe-equipped military aircraft at their preferred speeds and altitudes. Thanks to its powerful turboprops, the A400M can fly both at the low speeds and low altitudes to refuel slow receivers, as well as at higher speeds and altitudes of about 300 knots and altitudes around 25,000 feet. These are typically used for refueling of fast jets, including fighters or larger aircraft, or even another A400M for buddy refueling.